Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on how to pre-braid box braid. So I'll be showing you two methods which you can use to achieve pre-braided box braid. If you want to know how I feather this braiding hair, I have a video on that. I will leave the link in the description box. For this first braid, I'll be using the white rope. If you notice, you see that the white rope is a little bit slimmer, or will I say thinner than the ash one that is at the top. The reason being so is that this particular braid is the braid for the method which you can use needle and thread. It's better to use a slimmer rope so that when you take it off the rope, it will look as if it's braided on a person's hair. There will be no large gap between that particular point that you place the braiding hair at the rope. This braid I'm braiding is, I'm going for a tighter braid. Yeah, it's called tight braid. Some prefer it loose, but for this tutorial I'll be using the tight braid to demonstrate what I intend to achieve with this. So I'm flipping one side of the braiding hair over the white rope. Then I'll just go ahead and hold it at that particular point, and I'll hold it very tight. Please hold it tight so that when you want to fix it to the net, at that point it will be strong so that the needle can pierce into the braiding hair to the net, and it will stick without, because when it's very loose at that particular point, it will not be nice and it will not hold it firm. So you just go ahead and braid it to the tip, the extreme end of the braiding hair, so that it will not lose. And see how tight the braids are. That's the way I want it. So this particular braiding hair, I'll just demonstrate how you can make your braid loose, because some want their braids to be tight while others want it to be loose. So you can either do it a loose braid or a tight braid depending on your choice. So you can see how loose this braid is compared to the two that I braided earlier on. For this braid, I'm demonstrating how you can achieve the braid for a crochet hook. You will flip it over the rope, then you leave a little gap in between the rope and the braiding hair. For this is that so that when you want to use the crochet hook, it will easily pass through that gap, that's that hole, and it will be easier for the braid to come out when using the crochet hook, to come out from that point that gap is. So you just braid like 1 2 3 4 from the point of the rope. Just braid it to a four braid. Let those braid be loosed. Then from the 5th one, you can tighten up your hand depending on the way you want your braid, either loose or tight. So I'm just demonstrating with another braiding here. Please watch carefully so that you understand what I'm saying. I'll be using needle and thread just like I explained earlier for those braids that I braided at that white rope, because it's meant for needle and thread. While for the upper rope with ash color, I'll be using a crochet hook. So I just went ahead to finish up most of the braid, and you can see them, that's how they look like. So this is it. When I was dry, I just went ahead to trim the braids and put the tips inside hot water. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.